Okay, today I'm doing a tier list on juice. First up, mango juice. This, I think it would, it's S tier. It's very good. Lime juice, D. It's not good. It's like orange juice, great for breakfast. A tier. Pineapple juice, that's not even. Carrot juice, I haven't had this personally, but that just sounds terrible. Cranberry juice, I like it, not all the time though. I'll put a B. Tomato juice, C tier. Like altitude, pretty good. Not, yeah. Strawberry juice. Now this is interesting. I haven't had strawberry juice. Oh wait, I guess I have had naked strawberry banana. A tier. Lychee, S. Apple juice, A. Beet juice, I haven't had this, but beets I don't like. D tier. Pomegranate juice, B tier. It's good, but not all the time. Grape juice, I want to put it in between. Grape, A. Cherry juice, B. Grape juice, oh, red grape juice, that's B. That's white's better. Prune juice, C. Like sometimes it just hits different. Blueberry juice, naked blueberry juice, I know, is A tier. Grapefruit juice, this is a hard one. B tier. Now lemon juice, if it's talking about lemonade, A tier. If it's talking about like lemon extract, C tier. So like and subscribe and comment if you think there should be something else on here or something should be different.